Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a lovely day so far. So today's video is going to be a full get ready with me from face to hair to outfit to shoes. It's all happening here on this channel right now. And if you would like to see how I managed to get this look, this full look, keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. I actually have a pretty fancy event on tomorrow that I need to pick an outfit for, and I just got a whole heap of new items from Boohoo. I'm not sure which one I'm going to pick yet, but it's going to be one of them. Because I was going to film a get ready with me anyway, I thought what better way to start it off than actually showing you the items that I have to choose from. So yeah, I have 3 different outfit options. They are all from Boohoo. I'm going to pop over there, grab them, and let's get hauling. So the first outfit I have is this gorgeous like polka dot beigey coloured dress. It's got quite a low scoop neck, kind of quarter length sleeves, and it's actually quite long. It would go to probably about just below my knees. It's quite tight in fit, and it also has a little tie in behind. I'm going to link all of these outfits down below, so if you want to find them yourself, they'll be all down below. This one actually comes in, I think, 2 other colors as well. I'm not 100% sure. I kind of feel like this is going to be more of like a daytime sort of dress, but it is super flattering on the figure. Next up, I have a white dress. This one is a lot shorter than the other one, which is another reason why I'm thinking I'm going to pick the third option. I feel like this is very sort of race appropriate. Like, it'd be really cute with a fascinator. It also comes in black and red. I could totally see this with like a red lip, some black heels, maybe like a black belt or something. So that is option 2, but once again, I kind of feel like this is more of like a daytime attire sort of thing. Maybe if I was going to the races or going to like a cocktail party or a baby shower or something like that. This is the one I think I'm gonna go with. So I've got these gorgeous wide leg white pants. They're just simple, super flattering on, and they go to above your belly button, so they're high-waisted. And I'm thinking about pairing it with this. I am so obsessed with this top. I can't wait to wear it. It's just a simple top underneath the frills, and it actually goes over your shoulders, so it's got little sleeves in here. So your arms do go through it, and it just sits like so. And then you can like shimmy around. Okay, those are the outfit choices. I'm not 100% sure. I think I'm gonna pick the last one, but we will see tomorrow. I'm gonna now fast forward to tomorrow when I am getting ready for the event. So if you wanna see how I did my hair and my makeup and all of that jazz, keep on watching. So for today's outfit, I'm going to be wearing this gorgeous white top with some matching wide leg pants. You guessed it, outfit number 3 is the winner. To match this outfit, I really wanted to create a classy yet still quite bold makeup look. And in order to do that, I'm just going to start off by prepping my skin with some MAC Prep and Prime before going in with my Smashbox primer. Then I'm just taking my Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation and buffing it into the skin lightly for a bit of coverage. To take care of my blemishes, I am using my current favourite, the Zoeva Concealer Palette, and then popping a bit of Mary Kay Concealer under my eyes and around the central areas of my face, just to brighten it up and make me look a little bit more awake. And then finally setting that in place with some setting powder by Becca. For my brows, I'm just taking my Brow Precise Micro Crayon by Maybelline to add some shape and texture to my currently non-existent brows, and then just setting them in place and fluffing them up a little with this Hourglass Brow Setter. Next up, I'm just bronzing up my face with the old classic Benefit Hoola bronzer, just with a big fluffy brush. And not forgetting a tiny hint of blush. This one is by MAC. Now it's time for my favorite part, the highlighter. So I started off by going in with Benefit Dandelion, which I am obsessed with. I use it all the time, but it just wasn't quite popping enough. So I thought it was time to bring out this brand new baby from Fenty Beauty. It came out so recently and it is stunning. And I kind of just went to town on my cheekbones. For eyeshadow, I'm following on the Fenty train with this stunning eyeshadow palette to create a mild smoky brown eye. And then just popping on a quick layer of mascara to help my new favorite toy, magnetic lashes, to stay in place. These ones are by Ardell and I'm honestly so impressed with them. They are so easy to apply and I love the fact that you don't need any glue. And finally going in with a dark lip, this one is the shade PMS by Fenty Beauty. And with the lips done, that is the makeup finished. So to top off the look now, I'm actually just going to use the magic of editing here to fast forward through curling my hair and popping in my hair extensions, but I'm sure you get the gist. And with that, the only thing left to do is to get dressed and head out the door. Please note also that the links to the Boohoo items will be all down in the description box below if you are interested in finding out where you can purchase them yourself. I'm honestly so obsessed with this outfit. I think I actually want to get it in black as well. It's just so flattering on the figure and can be worn to so many different types of events. If you did enjoy this video, it would mean so much to me if you could give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this look, and also let me know if you enjoyed this sort of like quick get ready with me from head to toe, outfit to makeup type of video, because I would be totally willing to do some more. So let me know if you want to see more of those. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day and I will see you guys next time with another video.